Hello. So today I'm going to demonstrate the second part for the project number 2 for CRUDs. And moving to my project, I will share my screen with you and demonstrate the basis of my project. So just to demonstrate my collections over here, and I have here the name of my project, and I have here the two collections. One is named Contacts, and the other is Sessions. So each have a, more than seven contacts, and I have another one that it's for sessions, and I have another one for users. Now, for going to my VS Code, I have here the engine of my project, my server JS, that demonstrate the the ports, the session authorizations, also the control of the error handling, and uh, and yeah, the routes. Um, so I have created the authenticate file, and then you will find in my project the collections that are with but that holds the CRUD for create, update, delete, and post. And for this contains the necessary try and catch, um, handling errors 400, errors 500, and it contains also if and else for the error handling. I have the validation and the package validation too. Um, in order to just validate my project, and I have the middleware for this, and so on. The Swagger has been updated also, and now moving to the project, I will go ahead and demonstrate um right here. My project is already deployed, so let's check out the login. It's already logged in, and we can check also in my project the contacts in my database, which also shows up here. This is the other collections users, and you see that I have been working on this previously. And going to the API docs, what you will find here is the two collections, which in this case it loads um, everything, and well, that you will, I don't know if you would like to see a demonstration, if it works or if not, but I can go ahead and put it here with the maybe with contacts ID and try, and I can put here one ID, and it will show up with the contact for that user. And if I go and place over here, John, for example, it will have an error handling which it says must use a valid contact ID to find a contact. So it works very well. And showing up here, um, I can log out for this project also. And basically, that's how it's going to be um, about my project. One thing also I would like to demonstrate um, about my project is the GitHub, which you will find here on the last commits that I have done for my project, and the entire project is here, where you can find every folder and every file that is in my VS Code, except um, for the .env file and the node modules, which are private also, actually. The only thing that I was not able to demonstrate with you, but I don't I don't know what happened, but and the first time I did this, the login was successful, obviously, but what happened is that the log the my project looked for the authentication in in GitHub and to allow the login, but right now it's not asking it again. I think that it asked it for uh, I don't know, for a certain time, but I will try to check out what happened with this function and in the with the login. But actually, it works well. I can log in and log out of my application of project here, the API, and and it works. But thank you very much for your attention.